Hi, my name is Greg Gallipo, and I am the CEO and Chief Architect of RePoint Technologies. Today I'm here to talk about our iSharePoint implementation. This is a follow-up webcast to our iSharePoint series. I highly encourage you to watch the previous webcast to understand what we are trying to accomplish here. I hope you find it valuable in showing how you can enhance SharePoint to be a personalizable portal for your end users. Our previous webcast showed the personalizable web part adding techniques and the messaging system. This webcast shows the quick link system. The quick link system allows the communication groups to put out popular links and allows users to quote-unquote pin those links at the top of their list. In addition, users can manually add their own link. And before we start, there was a quick note about this part of the solution. What I'm about to show you requires the enterprise version of SharePoint because we interact with the user profile services within SharePoint. A similar solution could be created utilizing SharePoint lists. We wanted this solution to carry the pinned links over to the My Sites area of SharePoint. So when someone pins a link in our quick link solution, it also tags the link in My Sites. Before we get started showing the quick link system, let's review what we've done so far. The iSharePoint solution gives the end user the ability to easily add web parts to their page. And these are personal web parts. They can resize web parts, they can resort them, and they can really personalize the page to their end use. When a user does this, it shows just things personalized to them. So when another user comes in, they can personalize their own layout for their own page. We also have our messaging system, which allows a communications group within your organization to post messages, and the end user can bookmark messages. They can see symbols whether they read the message or not. The symbols go away when they actually read the message. The symbol just went away. It's carried through to our drop-down, so all bookmark messages show right here. Now the quick links parts of our system is all set up with a simple SharePoint list in the background. So whoever is the communications content organizers at the organization can easily go behind the scenes of SharePoint. They can find the quick links, and they can add links. It's a very simple title, URL, and a category. And two categories we have right now are most popular links and regular links. They also have an order. And you can also put a description in if you need it. So when the end user goes to quick links, they are going to see what we've decided are the most popular links and regular links. And when they find a link that they like, they can add it to their pinned links. We use a little animation to move it over there. And now, if you had hundreds of links on this page, the end user, once they find something, can easily add a link. So it's just like bookmarking in a website, but it's done right here in SharePoint. What we found is our end users that use SharePoint use multiple ways to get to their SharePoint site. They have their computer at work, they have their laptop at home. So end users used to bookmark items in their browser toolbar. Add as favorites, bookmark items, or favorites, sorry, over here. But now that we have this functionality, end users, one, have links that have been promoted by their portal administrators, things they might not have known that existed before. Two, it carries with them. So when they pin a link, it is available for them wherever they are to get to their SharePoint site, whether at home, on the go, at work, whatever computer they're on. So it's a very valuable system. Now, a lot of systems out there provide the ability to do what we refer to as link farms, where you just go to a web page in SharePoint and you see hundreds of links. All we've done is made it easier for people to organize their links. They come back and they see their pinned links here. In addition, with our mega drop-down menu that we introduced in our last webcast, pinned links also show up right here. So you have a really simple way to get to them at any time. So we made it really easy for the end user. And we're using techniques that we've already showed before, but the difference here is when we do our JavaScript, because we're using a lot of the CSOM object model, we're actually working with the SharePoint user profile tagging system. So in SharePoint, they have a tagging, managed metadata tagging system, and we've created a tag set called quick links. So whenever one is added to here, we put the name and the URL as a tag information into the quick links tag set. And you can also add manual links. So we'll add Google, for instance. Now users can take things out of their quick links, and you can really easily manage your quick links. So what you've seen here is just a really simple concept that end users really like. It looks really nice. We're using animation to move things over. End users can really quickly get back to all their pinned links whenever they want to. And it's just a really simple concept. It also carries through to the My Sites of SharePoint. So if you go to My Sites and you look in the tags, you would see these set in there under the quick links tags in My Site. So I hope you see the advantages we produce by utilizing the underlying SharePoint framework for quick links. By enhancing it to work with portal functionality. We're not going to share the code in these webcasts. The point is to show what can be done with the SharePoint implementation by RePoint Technologies. If you like this solution for your organization, please contact RePoint Technologies at admin@repointtech.com for a quote. This is the end of our series. The techniques shown in these webcasts show the iSharePoint framework RePoint can bring to your solution, to your organization. From here, we can gather specific business requirements and add on to the solution and build the best business portals in the industry. I hope you enjoyed our iSharePoint implementation.